parents come to me all the time and say, oh, my daughter or my son, they're constantly twisting their neck and cracking it to get a pop out of it, or doing the same to their mid-back. And they say, is this bad? Is it going to cause damage? What's going on? Now, the question is probably more appropriately aimed is, why are they doing that? Is it to get relief? Are they feeling stiff and they need to do it? And then we can figure out why they're cracking their neck and if it's going to be bad or not. Now, we answered a similar question to this about getting manipulated over and over again. Is it going to cause looseness of the joints? And we said that chiropractors focus on the stiff joints to loosen them and leave the loose joints alone, otherwise they become hypermobile or they move too much, and that becomes unstable and then creates damage later. So that translates now into, if that teenager or even adults do it, if they're twisting their neck constantly to get cracks out of it, most of the time they're going to be loosening off those loose joints already. So that's where we start to get problems. So when someone's been doing it for a long time, they are over loosening the joints in their neck or in their mid-back. That creates a state of hypermobility where the joints are now moving too much, and the body doesn't like that, so it creates muscle spasm, and then they feel tight again, and so they crack their neck again, and it loosens off, but they've loosened off that loose one, and then it gets tight again, but even more so. And so these are the people that you see, they started clicking the neck once a day, then it became every hour. Now they're doing it every 20 minutes to get relief. So is it bad? Well, it's not going to create arthritis or degeneration in your neck from doing that. But if you're doing that every 20 minutes over and over and over again, you're going to develop pain, you're going to develop muscle spasm, and over time that, yes, it will relate to dysfunction in the neck and likely cause degeneration years down the track. So it's not directly going to cause arthritis, but it is going to cause problems in your neck that will lead to that later on in life. So if it is a problem, I'd suggest, why are you having a crack in your neck to start with? Get it assessed, because it's likely that you've got some loose joints and then some stiff joints elsewhere, maybe a postural condition that leads to it getting over tight, maybe some wearing of the joints, and then figure out how you can correct that rather than constantly just over loosening the loose joints.